everyone, and today you're welcome to Setro Craft channel. I'm Jeke Setro, and what are we gonna be doing today? We're gonna be achieving this Maxi circle skirt as a swimming pool turn in less than 10 minutes using an Ankara fabric. So if you want to know the trick of achieving it, you just got to watch this video to the very end. And if you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and press that notification bell. Give us thumbs up and do share our videos to encourage us to do more. So let's get to the cutting table. It's as easy as A and B and C. So adding your fabric like this, what do? You just fold normally. I have my fabric like this. So you fold into two normally, like you want to do your circle skirt on top like so, like this. And with 3 to 3 yards of fabric, you'll be able to achieve this maxi skirt. And you know that one thing with Ankara fabric is that the length is by 45. It's not going to be enough. We're going to see how I'm going to achieve that right away. So having it, you smooth it up like so. Then you achieve the cone-like shape. So this is what I was trying to tell you. For this class, the waist I'll be using is 33.5 inches, the 3.5 inches, and the skirt length I'll be using is 46 inches. And for me to achieve that 36.5 inches, I'll just count to this. Please, if you want to learn how to use the formula, I have a video to that effect. I'm going to put it here, but most persons don't like using formula. So to achieve your cone-like shape, then the radius and getting the circumference of your circle is so easy. You just come, trace the bit and see 33.5 divided by 4, because the fabric is into 4 fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3.5 divided by 4 is going to give us 8.4 inches. So you're just going to count this way. It's so easy. Just try to do like a circle or half circle like this and say, where am I going to get 8.25 or 8.5 or thereabouts? Yeah. So 8.5. I'm actually going to be using elastic. Oh yes, let me see. I'm going to be using elastic for this. So 8.5. Let's try to use 10 inches radius. So let's try 10 inches radius and see if it's actually going to give us that 8.5. You just do it that way and use your formula. Just the 10 like so. Someone said I should stop saying like so. Don't mind me. 10 inches like this. So this will give us our radius, as this will give us the circumference of our circle. That's our circle waist, which is 8.5, like you can see. So the skirt length right now, the maxi skirt length is 46 inches. In 46 inches, I've actually included the turning, the elastic turning for me. So this is it. You just place it like so. 46 inches. And this is what I wanted to show you about the Ankara fabric. Can you see, if I want to achieve the circle, it's not going to be enough because the length of Ankara fabric is by 45. So I'm just going to join fabric to it right now. So I'll be able to achieve the circle properly, and that means it's going to have joining. Yeah. So I just fold the extra fabric into 2. Remember, this other one is enough. It's just 2 parts. So I'll fold it into 2 like this and place it. Remember, if you have fabric that has pattern, you have to follow the pattern while adding these additional parts. But here there's no pattern. I'm just going to go like this. Then this is going to be my joining allowance. You know, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. We're going to be having this on the lower part. So I'm going to cover up this half inch as my joining allowance. I'll just place it like so. I'll pin down right now, and you see, then I'll be able to achieve the circle just like this. So right now you can see I've added the additional fabric that is going to enable me achieve my maxi circle skirt. So I just take my 46 inches like this, then I come to the center also. I take my 46 inches. So right now, I'm going to stitch this joining to make the full length of the skirt. Remember I told you I'm going to conceal this by stitching it on half inch. So let's just do that right now. So we stitch an half inch allowance that we created for the stitching like this. Right side of the fabric facing the right side. Just on half inch straight. Just to have this join perfectly. Having your maxi skirt like so, this is the waist. I notched the side, so I want to stitch this open side just to the end. Then I'll fix my elastic. Remember, I'm using waist 33 and a half. This is on 2 foot right now. 33 and a half divided by 2 is going to give me 16 3/4. So this is my 16 3/4 here that I'm going to stitch on. That's the waist measure before I fix the elastic to it. So I'm going to do just like that. So right now, I'm done with stitching the side. I just want to affix the elastic band to it. This elastic is, the width is 1 inch. So I'm going to leave like 1 1/4 inch for the band. So I'll just turn it in like so, 1 1/4 inch. So I'll stitch like this. Then I'll leave a little space in between, which I'll use pin to affix this elastic into it. Just to watch me as I do it. So this is 1 1/2 inch. I'll bend in 1/4 inch, just like this. Then I'll stitch it round before I affix the elastic. So let's go. You affix the elastic like this. You use a safety pin like I've done. The size, the waist measurement was 33, so I cut 33 and a half. I cut the elastic to be 1 inch shorter. That was 32 and a half. So I'm just passing it through like the open space in between the elastic band space. So just like this. So I'll stitch the elastic together with a 1/4 inch. Yeah, and with that, we've come to the end of today's training. Remember, if it has been helpful to you, don't forget to give us thumbs up, share our videos, and do what? Like. Yeah. So, and just for you that are interested in buying my new Gengeshios Ankara Fabrics, don't forget to mail me with that number that is showing on the screen. I deliver worldwide and it's quality Ankara Fabric. And don't forget, Setro Fashion School is still having our bonanza for this season. We're giving half the price for the first 10 students to register. So what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Hurry right now and log on to www.setrofashionschool.com or WhatsApp us on the numbers showing on your screen. So don't forget to keep on smiling and also call Setro Media for your what? For your yearly town celebrations. And do follow me on Setro's blog. Yeah. Catch you. Love you.